Hi everyone, thanks for being with me in a new video of Grammar for Everybody. In this video we are going to study reflexive and intensive pronouns. We are going to see their differences and when to use each of them. Stay with me, this is Grammar for Everybody. To start with the video, we will see which are reflexive pronouns and which are the intensive ones. In the reflexive pronouns, we are going to find the pronouns myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, yourselves, ourselves, and themselves. The intensive pronouns are the same ones. So, what is the difference? Even though they are the same pronouns, their usage is different. First, let's see when we have to use reflexive pronouns. They are called reflexive because they redirect the action to the doer. Let's see an example. Let's check the example that I have here. My little brother hurt himself with the scissors. The reflexive pronoun himself redirects the action to my little brother. Let's see a second example. Let's see this second example. The thieves killed themselves before the police could catch them. In this sentence, we can find that themselves redirects the action kill to the thieves. If we pay attention, we will find out that reflexive pronouns in most of the cases are direct objects. The thieves killed who or what? Themselves. This is a direct object. Now let's see the usage of intensive pronouns. Also, they are considered appositives in the sentence. Let's see an example of an intensive pronoun in a sentence. Let's check this example. I made my lunch myself. This means that nobody else made my lunch but me. Let's look at another example. I myself saw the accident. This means that nobody else but me saw the accident. That's why this is an intensive pronoun. Sometimes it can be confusing to determine if a pronoun is reflexive or intensive. A technique that you can apply to check if a pronoun is reflexive or intensive is to eliminate the pronoun and emphasize the antecedent of that pronoun. If the statement still have the same meaning, the pronoun was an intensive pronoun, but if the statement stops making sense or the meaning changes drastically, then the pronoun was a reflexive pronoun. Let's do a quick analysis to find out if the pronouns in these sentences are reflexive or intensive pronouns. Let's start with number 1. You have to drive yourself to school today. Here we have the pronoun yourself. If we apply the technique that I told you, we can eliminate the pronoun and say, you have to drive to school today. It doesn't have the same meaning, so this is a reflexive pronoun. Let's check the second one. I washed the car myself. Here we have the pronoun. Let's apply the technique. I washed the car. It still has the same meaning, so this is an intensive pronoun. Let's see the last one. Andrew introduced himself to the class. Himself is the pronoun. Let's apply the technique. Andrew introduced to the class. It doesn't have the same meaning and it stops making sense, so this is a reflexive pronoun. This was everything that I have prepared for you in this video. I hope now you can see the differences between reflexive and intensive pronouns. And if you have a doubt about this topic, remember that you can send me a message to the email that you will find down in the description of the video. So, that was everything from me. See you in the upcoming video.